If you have not started mining this project, I don't know what you are waiting for, but I believe that before you watch this particular video to the end, I know you will be able to take a proper decision to start mining. And if you have started mining this project, I have two important things that you just need to know that are the latest updates about the key protocol. What I'm talking about is the key protocol. Yes, a blockchain native token that we are mining. And you know something that I love about this particular coin? Currently, mined 103, and you see my mining is still going. And currently, also you see mining at 15.30 power. One of the important thing I love about this project is this. Yes, let's go to the mining section. If you have not watched my previous video on where I discuss about this particular key project, I'll be dropping a lot of the video I've created in the description of this particular video so that you can just watch them and just get started. Is that mining we are mining this particular key token, we are also mining BTC. Look at it. Woo! What project is doing this thing? Mining two coin at the same time. And see, you just need to watch my previous video for you to know how to start mining this BTC and how you could receive it. And another thing is that see, this particular token is limited. I've been shouting it. This token is limited. 40 million, sorry, 97 million is the total that will be in circulation, and only 40 million will be mine. Now, if you have not started, I don't know what you're actually waiting for. I'll be dropping my link, my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video so that for those who want to start, you can just start. Start now. This is just the best time to start. So one of the most important thing I said I want to share with you, let's go to their X account and let me show you something powerful that they tweet. Look at something. This tweet was 2 days ago. And I kid you now that you have about maybe a day to go. See, look at what they tweeted. They said, dear keychain user, keychain computing power mining will experience its first tier and the halving of the generation time will occur in 72 hours. 72 hours has to do with 3 days, and today is just the day too. Meaning by tomorrow, the halving will be taking place. Meaning for me that I'm mining this particular amount now. Let me quickly show you that I'm mining 15.30 now. It will be splashing into 2, meaning I'll be making around 7 point something. Yes, that will be mining. That means I have to double my effort now on a daily basis. That's why you just need to just join. And if you are joining, don't just sit down and join it. Try as much as possible to refer a lot of people. And one thing you should not do is to use one particular phone to open multiple accounts. Don't try it. If you get detected, you will get banned. See, this Kiwi do, I kid you not, this Kiwi is going to do well because it is a blockchain token that we are mining. Yes, and this we are building a lot of things. I've shared in my previous video, which I'll be dropping. You can go. They are building a lot of. See, look at the swap section. Look at the apps that they are building. See, they are building a decentralized wallet. Also, again, see, look at it. Look at something. Look at DeFi here. Look at how you be able to send, receive more. Is still there. That they are, see, these people are just building a lot of things at behind the scene and they are not making noise. And I guess a lot of people are just ignorant about this particular project. One other beautiful thing that which I want to tell you is that their white paper is now out. Let me quickly show you something in their white paper. Let it load and let me show you quickly. See, this their white paper is very many like as if they are writing project. I don't actually. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. We are close to hitting our 1,000 subscriber. Please try as much as possible to subscribe. Invite your friends so that they could join. Let's go to the page that we are looking for. We are going to page 58. Yes, this is where I'm actually trying to bring us because this out of what is being written, this is what actually concerns us. Look at key token allocation. Total key is 97 million that we have been shown, and we have been told that the community computing power will be able to mine just 40 million. You see, stepwise halving mining for 2 years, meaning this mining is just going to take the place of 2 years. I tell you, you are still early. If you're able to start today, you are still early because this particular project started at June 1st. So, and look at it here. This is different from all those your Telegram. This is a blockchain mining project. Look, the team will be giving 6 million out of it, which is linear release for 4 years. Yes, not that the team that will just get it and they will just sell off and they'll dump. And look at it. For investors, they will be giving 7 million, which that one also the linear release is for 2 years. Look at it. When it comes to the foundation, the linear release is for 5 years. Ecological support, they'll be giving 6 million for governmental voting and unlocking. TGE, private and public, 10 million. That is for liquidity on that which will be provided on exchanges that they will be listed. No lock, it will not be locked. pledge mining, 11 million linear release for 5 years, and nodes 11 million release by block. So this one, if you look at their white paper, there's nothing that maybe they'll be investing, that a lot some of the token will be locked for a particular period of time. No. This is what I'm telling you. You just need to start. And what makes this project beautiful and easy to mine is that you just have to come here once every 24 hours to just tap. And after you have start mining, you tap on this one, you go claim your BTC. And if you want to grade your computing power, you just need to refer a lot of other people to join this particular project. You see, 40 people that I've invited. So the first level that use my direct link are just 31. I want you to keep on joining. At least in this particular project, I want to invite more than 1,000 people before the project is over. You see, the second phase, they have 8, and the last one, I have 1. So if you have any question about this particular blockchain token, which is called KEY, kindly drop it in the comment section of this particular video. Make sure you like, share, and follow us for more. Thank you. Bye bye for now.